present the budget of 2026 and 27. So, I would like to submit some of very important points, but let me start with the agriculture. I hope and I believe this budget of 30,000 crore will transform into reality for the benefit of our people of the state as a whole. Sir, let me come to agriculture, this CM Assure. I would like to apprise and inform the House that this CM Assure, it's happened, I think, last few months back. When I met the Chief Minister along with few farmers from my constituency and all across the state, for the broomstick, suddenly, from the rate of 120, 130 per kg, it's coming down to 30 rupees, 20 rupees. And what happened after that? All the farmers from my constituency, broomstick farmers and across the state, they came and met me. And after that, thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister, I got an appointment and we went and met him. And instantly, he intervened this matter. But at the same time also, I would like to present here, because the broomstick now at present under the scheme, the farmers are procured at the rate of 55 per kilogram, with a limit of 800 kilogram per farmers. Therefore, sir, because of the paucity of the time, I would like to submit before this August House to enhance the procurement rate to at least to 75 or 80 per kilogram, and increasing the quantity limit per farmers to at least 1,500 kilogram or even 2,000 kilogram under the CM Assure scheme, particularly to cushion the farmers during year affected by the natural calamities. And I have noted that the budget provision of about 700 crores has been made. With due respect, I humbly request the Honorable Government may also kindly consider certain practical challenge faced by our farmers at the field level. And number two, sir, coming to primary health care. I would also like to gently draw the attention of this August House to the valuable contribution made by the community and several families in my constituency and other constituency also, as well as in the other part of our state, who have voluntarily donated the land for the establishment of primary health center, sub-center, and related health facilities. So what happened? Last few months back, from my constituency and other constituency of East Kasiel, I've met them. They came to me that after donated the land, the government, they have assured that they have given them one job for one family who have donated the land, and community land also. But last few months back, they have received the letter from the department, concerned department, which they have terminated. So this kind of thing, I don't know what will be happen, but Why I brought to the house? Because I think it's high time now for the concerned department, health department or other department, to come out with the guideline and proper guideline to streamline this problem, which really affected our people who donated donors of the land for establishment of many offices in our state. So one thing, this is very important. This also is a part of health sector. Jata PHC, which is fall under my constituency. So the primary health care at Jata cater to a large rural population. However, the center faces shortage not only of safe drinking water, but also of water required for the overall functioning of the health facilities, including services such as deliveries, sanitation, cleaning, and other essential hospital needs, which from the PHE department, I think they already done the estimate, but this is the best time, I think, from the government. Minister in charge is here to sanction this scheme. It's very, very important for these Jata sub-center, which it's comprised around 18 villages in this Jata sub-center. So, this is also coming to PHE. Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like also to draw the kind attention of the House to the need for the comprehensive water supply scheme at Nongjarong. Everybody know about Nongjarong. So many of us, I think, who have been to Nongjarong. Even our Honorable CM also have been there. The village experiences a recurring scarcity of water, which affect not only the availability of drinking water, but also water required for daily household use and other routine needs of life, particularly during the dry months. Sir, it is painful to note that many residents are compelled to wake up at early dawn to fetch water from distant lower sources and then carry it uphill on their back to their homes, which cause considerable hardship, especially for women and elderly. Sir, Nongjarong is also known as a tourist destination, particularly for its scenic sunrise and tasty oranges. The limited availability of water poses difficulties for both the local residents and the visitors. And this one also, sir, PHE minister is here. I think the department, they have done the estimate. Now it's up to the government, but I request through you, sir, Chairman, sir, to Honorable Minister, to sanction this scheme, which we already discussed this matter in the CM Connect, which CM, he came to our constituency. Sports department, coming to sports, sir. I would like to commend the government for the successfully hosting the national game, which I remember in the last term, sir, we discussed this matter every session. But during that tenure as a minister, I replied. One member asked me, I replied. I said, don't worry. The national game, it will be held and hosted in Meghalaya. This is happened now. Thanks to the government of the day, thanks to Honorable Chief Minister, he's very active and he supports the department. Now, from the minor department to a major department, sports department. So, one thing I seek the clarity, it's about to be finished.
Please.
Seek, about to be finished. This is very important. I seek kind clarity on the long-term arrangement for athletes' accommodation, particularly with regards to the game village, and whether the existing hotel facilities in our state are adequate to accommodate all athletes during such major event. This is also, I believe, the government will do the needful. So this is the last submission. Then, so this is for the education department.
Please try to shorten.
So in my constituency, again, this is Jata, which comprise about 18 villages. They have came to me, and this is also I brought to the notice of government, which we don't have the higher secondary school in that area. Kindly take this as very important, because without education, we cannot move forward. So I urge the government of the day, on the able leadership of Chief Minister, and also the Education Minister also is here, Pak Ramboy is very active, to kindly sanction one higher secondary school in this Jata area, which is central location of my constituency, which comprise around 18 villages. And the last one is the need of ours in my constituency is a community college, which I already discussed with CM, with Education Minister. Please, if this, it will be great help for me, my people, especially I represent most of my people as farmers. It's very difficult to come to Shillong.
Please wind up. You've crossed
Thank you.
more than 2 minutes.
Thank you for your time.